100 on my wrist, 80 on my wrist, 100 on my wrist. Deros, 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 deros. 100 on my wrist, bitch.
Welcome to the Coleman family. We back again on another video. First video, you already know who it is. It's Cameron Alana Coleman. And you already know it is. It's Crystal Autumn Coleman. And our other sisters are out. Our other sister is doing the prank with us, but she just out there to like make sure she don't wake up. The other sister Candice is asleep right now, and we're gonna be prank her with the squeeze bottle. We're gonna put a painting under it. We're gonna put the water bottle on top. And we're gonna be like, you see it? And we're gonna, when she get close, we're gonna squish it in her face. But all y'all need to know is like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to it. Let's get to the video. Peace. So back with the video, and Sierra, we're about to get started with the prank. She's still knocked out. She knocked out. I don't even know. Like she's really knocked out. Let me show you guys. Like she straight up knocked out. Bro, straight up. Okay. So what we're about to do is fill up this water bottle. Set up the camera. So. About to fill up this water bottle right here. So we're gonna fill up this water bottle and we're gonna do the trick. I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. Oh yeah. So we need to put that. Should keep the cap on. Oh, you have to fill it all the way to the top. No, we gotta tell. No. So we gotta find a penny or just put something. It could be anything like the rubber band or But I can't wait to do this prank. I want to see her reaction, so I just can't wait to do this because it's gonna be so fun, and I just wanna know what she's gonna do because it's just gonna be. We're gonna put this under it, just rubber bands. This is Jania's bracelet. Our cousin Jania bracelet. But this is what the water bottle looks like, guys. Yeah. And we're gonna put it on water and we're gonna be like, you see it? But we gotta do it over the sink, cause like, can't wait to do this, So let's go wake her up. Let's go. Let's go wake her up. Now we gotta put some water on our fingers so splash it. Like what? So we can wake her up. So be like, all right, they're gonna do what I recorded. All right. So let's go. Wake up.
Stop, Cece.
That wasn't even Cece, girl.
Crystal.
That was good.
Get up.
Come on. Get it.
What?
Do you see anything?
No, I don't see anything.
So look, you see this water bottle, right?
Do you see anything in that water bottle? What's up, y'all vlogging?
Okay, you was just sleeping.
For real.
So, you see the water bottle, right?
I don't see anything.
Look closely.
Now look in it.
Close. Yo,
Look at this.
that was funny. Yo. First vlog is off this lit iPhone. But yo, that was funny. Need the camera in a few days.
My head on the nozzle thing.
But we'll see you a
That was crazy.
bit later too.
Me, but now I'm going back to
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, if you mess with one, you mess with all. It's cold out here. The next video might be a story time, so just stay tuned on that. It's snowing out here, so it's really cold. Look. But yeah, stay tuned. Link in the description. Get us to 200K. Other sisters, one is at practice and one is just sleep. Get us to 200K and we'll do a giveaway. So, see y'all.
When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit, take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.